Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to easily send files from your phone to your laptop. To do it, we'll have to use a website called pairdrop.net. Open it. Once you open this website, you'll be given a random nickname, which will be a sign of your device, which is in our case this laptop. This way we can easily find it using our phone. And to connect your phone to this device, click on this link icon right here, and then either open the same page on your phone and insert this number that you can see right here in this field once you click on this link icon on your phone, or you can simply scan the QR code at the top using your smartphone's camera, which I will do because it takes a lot less time. It's a lot easier to do. So once I click on it, the same website opens on my phone, and I also can see the tablet or the laptop on my phone's display. So I simply have to click on my laptop icon on my phone, then select the file that I want to send. Let me choose the file. OK. And as you can see, the file appears on the screen of my laptop, so I'll have to accept it. Click on this button, and once I accept it, it starts to download it. And as you can see right now, the file is downloaded and it's already on my PC. And basically that's how you transfer files from your phone to your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.